All right, this problem is asking for the amount of time it will take to earn a certain amount with compounded continuously interest. So the first thing is to know that whenever it says that, you're going to be using the formula, the amount you have is equal to the principal times E, which is a number, not a variable, to the rate times years. Because it's years in this particular one, we're talking about years, time of withdrawal. It's not always the case, but for money, you can assume it's years. So the amount we end up with is $331.07. The amount we start with is $200. E again is just a number, it's on your calculator. And the rate as a decimal is going to be 8.4%, which is 0.084. So that's going to go in our exponent along with t for years. So we're going to solve for t. And to do that, we're going to need to isolate t, but it's here with this whole part. So we want to make sure that we've got that alone, and then we'll figure out how to get t by itself. But first, we're going to get rid of that 200. So we're going to divide both sides by 200 and cancel that. That's going to end up being 331.07 divided by 200 is 1.65535, but you can round it. Leave it on your calculator. And again, t is in the exponent, so the only way to get out of the exponent is to take the natural log of both sides. And they have a formula for this, but it's easier to think about it as a solving technique. So we're going to take the natural log of this number and the natural log of this whole side. And then we're going to use the power of a logarithm rule to move the exponent down. And it's going to end up now being multiplied. There's our t now down below times the natural log of e, but this right here, that's just equal to 1. So usually you don't even see that. They just will write natural log of 1.65535 equals 0.84 times t, and then you basically divide both sides by 0.084, and you're going to get your answer. So on your calculator, you want to find that natural log key, put in the answer that you got, that decimal, and divide it by 0.084, and that will give you 6.000, so it's about 6 years. You should try this, make sure you can properly do it on your calculator, but that's how you do it.